Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access to draft videos or draft projects in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Now let's begin. First, we will need to know that projects will save automatically your projects and you won't have something called like draft projects and some finished projects on Instagram Edits app. That means if we go and start a new project, I'm going to choose anyone. So let's just have these ones and let's add some texting. So T1 and I'm just going to click on done. All I want is just to make it appear on the timeline so we can show it here and then we can shorten this one, add some transition, etc. Now let's just shut down the application. So I'm just going to click on X or quit, and then we can see that the project is being saved automatically. That means there is no drafts. Otherwise, if you want just to access the Instagram draft projects or draft video, you will be needing to go to your Reels, and from there you will need just to go to your drafts and make sure to save them to your camera roll so you can click on them, and after that you can save them into your camera roll and then you can start working on them to your Instagram edits. And this way you can also start add them into as a clip into your editing panel. So you can click on plus, go to gallery, search for your drafts project that you have saved, and then add it to your timeline. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.